All right, friends. So it is June 3rd. We are at Mo Mummy. Look at this. The grand was just hit. It looks like it starts at 8, and looks like someone just won it. Good for them. We are at the beautiful Wynn. It's June. We have some free play in the machine. And we put a little bit of our own money inside of here. Why don't we replicate what this person did and win that grand? The major is huge. Last time we were here, the major was 600 something. Right now it's at 830, so that's crazy. It looks like the cash collect is still totally full. So if this person just hit the grand, it must have been on the jackpot feature. Which is pretty awesome for them. Oh yeah, keep going. Mr. Mummy. Oh yeah, come on, Mr. Mummy. Right here. Oh, right here. Yeah, right here, I was joking. You know, we saw it fly by a bunch of times and none of them landed. Yesterday we had some huge hits on Mo Mummy. Or like some good comebacks, so not like massive, but... Oh, okay, where were you last time, buddy? Would like one of you to pop. Day late and $1 short. In this case, a day late and $7.50 short. Cash collect again. So, what do you guys think about free play? Is it just a tactic to get people into the casino? Is it, can you win on free play? It probably just doesn't matter, right? It's too much work for, I think, these casinos to like try to quote unquote rig it. I know I'm facetious when I say it, but rigged free play. But I think you really can just win big on it. It's just like real money, just putting credits to the machine. Right? Right. Right, see? Oh, bam. Okay. 3 games just got a lot bigger. And they're all pretty much maxed out at this point. Oh, he was right up there. Ooh, he was right up there. He does this a lot. He is a very tricky little fella. It's a mummy. Got up there again, but it goes without saying. Here's his cool hat. He's about to put it on. He put his cool hat on. Now he's gonna come down here, right? Right? Not right. Let's try a couple 250 bets and see what happens, huh? It'd be nice to get it at 5 cents. Here we are, 5 cents. Mo Mummy June Joy. It's pretty hard to win at the Wynn. I know we've said it before, like win at the Wynn, but this is a hard place to win. The slots are pretty tight over here, people. And as you can see, we're almost done with our free play, I believe. Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. And now we are officially done with our free play. And we'd love to hit a bonus. We made $10 from $75 of free play. $10 from $75. And kind of, it's like that. Those are some good numbers. Huh. Mr. Mummy. Okay. Those look really big, people. I think they're really ready to go. We'd love to see a haywire feature right about now. Where's he going? Huh. Haywire. It would be nice. Or this. Boom. It's so fun to get cash. Oh my goodness. Please, do it. Oh, it slowed down for a second, so I thought it was gonna do it. Like the reel like slowed down for some reason. That would, what was that, 30 something? Times 2, actually. Mo mummy or no money? What do you guys think? Do you guys still believe? I believe. We have about 8 spins left. Mr. Mummy, come on now. Huh. I mean, that cash luck is huge. Maybe wifey is right. When someone just, when someone just won huge. I mean, this one in this case looks like they hit the grand. So does that mean that the machine is on absolute take mode now again? Probably. Maybe not. Maybe it just means the machine is wide open and ready to pay out. Like this. Oh, I wanted to wheel the rumble feature. Oh, he was up there. One more 75-cent bet. What's gonna happen? Last spin, best spin. Last spin, no spin. Okay. Well, we tried. We're gonna insert some footage from yesterday because we just like went and played with free play at Red Rock, and we got a pretty huge bonus on the free play. So we'll definitely be putting that in the end of this video, just to show that free play is not actually rigged. We might try some more on this one. We'll see. I'll be back right now. All right, friends, it's June, and we're gonna try to get yet another first spin bonus with free play. 20, oh wow. It's a pretty good first line hit, I mean, shoot. Okay, so we have $15 of free play in. Oh yeah, come on, drop it in there. Oh yes, oh my God. Another one, come on. Wow, this is not a first spin bonus, but first spin, big line hit, second spin, $37 on a 30. Wow, people, this is absolutely lovely. Let's go, Mo Mummy. This will definitely be a 2-part reel. Oh yeah, free play, not rigged, confirmed. Let's go. Get more greens. Oh, mini. Okay, whoa, green. Okay. Mini's 10, that was 750. Let's go. We need more green though. It is one of those, here's one big number, but here's no more. But I mean, we're fine with it. Let's go. Okay, 2 big greens. 375 bet. Let's please get to the next stage with these kind of numbers. It's very, very important to get to the next one. Oh my God, what the heck was that? 37, oh, 56, oh, 2, oh my gosh. I was like, I couldn't even react to that one. And then, oh yeah, that is absolutely lovely, people. What an absolute joy. By the way, we're at the Red Rock. It is June 2nd. And, more, please. Green. Okay, those all swung and missed. Okay. Oh my God, another huge one dropping up. Oh, these numbers are ridiculously epic, people. We just want it to keep going. Oh, come on. The grand, yes, up there. Oh, another big one. More green. With these kind of numbers dropping, we just don't want it to stop. But I mean, what is happening? Come on, Mo Mummy, let's go. 2 green randomly. I didn't think it was gonna drop anymore, but we are more than happy with that. Obviously, 2 huge, 1 huge line hit to start, like, not huge, but it was a good sign. I think I got $250. Yes, please, 246.25. Absolutely love to see it. And we free play rigged. Whoever said that, okay? 2 more spins. And we're taking this and pop it to it. Yeah. Rumble. Okay, people, I'm not gonna give 1 cent back. We earned that money and we're gonna take it and run. Thank you, free play. Thank you, Red Rock Casino. Thank you, Mo Mummy. We'll be back. Thanks for watching. Friends, we're back to the Mo Mummy. said the grand that they just hit on that boy. Oh yeah, 180. Pop it. Oh, that was so nice. First spin. Some big numbers. Good. What else do we need? Oh, whoa. I'm gonna do that. That's good. Super fast. Let's get it back. The pop. Boom. Start with $7. Very, very fun. Hey people, our free play is gone. We have no more free play. We're putting a little bit more amount of money back in the pocket. We saw a lot of action. It was right up there. Oh yes, 375. We did it. Please be cash select. We both said 375. Please green. Yes, please. Only green. Nothing else. Oh my god, not green. Yes, green, green. No way! It tricked us again! It tricked us again, people. Oh my gosh. We get the haywire feature on a 375 bet, and he gives us green, this. What are the odds that it's not the green one? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, well, it's nice to get a haywire bonus. We're in for free play in this. But let's get a haywire in here. Let's get a cash select in here. Oh my goodness. It tricked us again, people. Haywire, and you see the first one's green, you're like, no more other ones, you know? Like, no more other ones just to give it a chance. We saw 2 of the emeralds, only 1 of the free games. Oh, this isn't just a $2 bonus. Come on now. I'll keep going. Oh, 5 of them. Okay. Good 5 of a kind, but that was crazy trickery money. He is a tricky mummy, okay? And we know that. Well, that's a big one. Can we please get a cash collect now? We have 3 more spots. Cash collect, cash collect. You know, it's awkward because, like, when you don't push it, yeah, my hand is here, my other hand's holding the camera. It's not going to spin. Mr. Mummy, are you going to spin? I'm afraid if I push it, it'll change the RNG. There you go. Oh, there, see? I didn't push it, please. Here. Here. Oh, here now. Oh my god. I didn't push it. Oh no, I'll do it now. People, that is silly. How? 375 bet and we get the thing and it doesn't haywire, it doesn't come down. I mean, someone just won the grand on it, so. I'm not pushing it again, Mr. Mummy. You know, I didn't push it last time we had a chance at cash collect. Now, oh, it was right up there. Oh my goodness. That was some sort of trickery, Mr. Mummy. I am okay, we up our bet. We were betting